Hey everybody, it's Nabil Mullah with you here again today. Today I'm here to show you this TONOR Condenser Microphone Professional Setup. You can buy this on Amazon, and I'll have the link down below, for less than $50. So what do you get exactly, and how does it sound? Well, as for how it sounds like this, because you're listening to it right now. And as for what you get, let's take a look. You get the condenser microphone, a shot mount, a scissor arm stand, a 48-volt phantom power supply, a foam pop filter that goes over the microphone, a windscreen pop filter that connects to the scissor stand, and all the connecting cords that the setup requires. It really is everything that you need to get started recording right away. It boggles my mind that TONOR can sell this entire setup for less than $50. So back to the sound. It's definitely good enough for doing YouTube voiceovers and that sort of thing, and I think that's what most of the people that are watching this video are going to want to use it for. It's pretty much plug and play, so for someone who has no technical experience with microphones, it's pretty easy to get started. This is a unidirectional microphone, so that means you have to talk right into the front of the microphone to get the best sound pickup. The front of the microphone is the part that has the TONOR label on it. If you talk into the top of the microphone or the back of the microphone, it's just not going to sound good. How do I sound? Do I sound as good as I did before? This kind of microphone is great for cutting out background noise. So if you're not in a sterile environment, this is great for you. So what do you think of the sound? Let me know in the comments down below. I think this is certainly a great value, especially if you're on a budget. One issue I've had with this mic is with the windscreen pop filter. After a few uses, the arm just won't stay in place like it should. Check this out. I've since stopped using it altogether, and I use the foam pop filter instead. It covers up the cool looking microphone, but it does a good job of drowning out all those pesky pops. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Click on the link down below to check out this microphone on Amazon. Please go ahead and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Hit that like button. That helps me out too. And don't forget, when you subscribe, click on that bell icon to receive notifications. And I'll catch you on the next video.